Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to monitor application data usage on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, open the app in which you want to monitor the data usage of the app, and after opening the app, click on mobile data, and from here you can monitor the app data usage. So here it will show you the total data usage, and then it will show you the foreground data usage, and then in the last it will show you the background data usage of the app. So that's how you can monitor application data usage in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.